morning, everybody. Today, in our history class, we'll be looking at the differences between history and storytelling. What do I say?
Differences between history and storytelling.
In our last class, we emphasized that history helps us to connect our past with our present. That history is not just all about what have happened in the past, but it is those things that happened in the past which are very relevant to the present and future. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And we said that people that provide us evidence or fact with which history is built, they are called history makers. They're called what?
History makers.
Examples of history makers, we have the archaeologists, the cryptographers, the historians, and some others. And we said that story is an account of event or sequence of events. This may be true or not true. Today, we want to look at the differences between history and storytelling. On the board, I have placed 6 differences, 6 in a tabular form. Yes, what is number 1? History is not fictional. Say it.
History is not fictional.
That means history is a true life account. Is the word?
True life account.
When we say something is not fiction, it means it actually happened. It's actually what? Exactly. A true life story is what we call non-fiction. Not what?
Not fiction.
Good. Why storytelling is fictional? Say it.
Storytelling is fictional.
Louder.
Storytelling is fictional.
It means that storytelling, the events, they are imaginary. They are what? Imaginary. Somebody just imagine it. Exactly. For example, why do tortoise have a tattered bag? Exactly. It's a fictional story. It's an imaginary story. Exactly. Number 2, history is objective. Say it.
History is objective.
Why story is subjective?
While story is subjective.
When we say something is objective, it means you no place your personal opinion or feeling in it. Things that we are telling about history, they are things that actually happen. There is no sentiment in it. There is no tribalism. There is no personal opinion in it. Not what you feel like. Exactly. It is what actually happened. But story, it is what you feel like. For example, you just imagine why do hawk always fly around fireplaces? What you feel like, you just form a story for it. When emotions or personal feelings are attached to a story, it become subjective. It become what?
Subjective.
But in history, it is not subjective. History is objective. No personal feeling, no sentiment attached to it. Exactly. It is an account as it happens. It is what? It is an account as it happens. There is no let me ship in this to it to make it look interesting. Exactly. You know some story you need to put maggi, put curry so that the story will look exactly. But in history is an account of what have happened. There is no curry or maggi that we what is the material on the board?
History is subjective.
What is the material on the board?
History is subjective.
Number 3. Okay, we have explained that one already. Number 2, history is factual. Say factual.
Factual.
History is factual.
History is factual.
History is factual.
History is factual.
What does it mean for something to be factual? He have fact. Exactly. He have, and if it's factual, you will not say number 4. It require evidence. Every fact have a what? Evidence. You must have a proof of what you are saying. Exactly. History have evidence. It's factual. You can see that it is real. But storytelling is not factual. There is no fact. Tell me if you have heard about that story of a tortoise. All of you. I am everybody. I am all of you. Is that clear? Do you have any fact to defend that story? No. There is no evidence. So storytelling is not factual. It's what?
Not factual.
Good. And number 4, we said history requires evidence. Of course, if something is factual, it must have evidence. It must have what?
Evidence.
But storytelling is imaginary. Others say storytelling is imaginary. That means there's no evidence. It's just an imagination. It's just a what? Imagination. History is time-based. Say it.
History is time-based.
For example, the history of a place, let's say history of Nigeria, you must have time. For example, we have history of the pre-colonial Nigeria. What happened before the colonial master came? Is that clear? Is he having a time? Is that clear? The history of Ologbo, our host community now, where this school is located, we will know the time when it happens. Is that clear? When you say history, say it have an evidence, it have happened in the past. It must have a time that it happened in the past. True of us. True of us. But in storytelling, you don't say, they will ask you, when does it happen? We don't know. My father say, my mother say, my grandfather say, but we cannot tell the exact time that that thing happened. So storytelling is not time-based. It's not what? Time-based. What is the other one we have there? Which is number 6, Abi?
Yes.
History is an academic discipline. Say it.
History is an academic discipline.
Why storytelling is not an academic discipline? Good. When we say history is an academic discipline, what do we mean? It means that history is subject that you can learn in school. Just like today, we are studying what? History. History is also a subject you can go and study in the university. It's a course, it's a discipline. Somebody can ask you, what are you reading in university? Say history. Is that clear? But can you read storytelling? No. So history is an academic field of study, whereas storytelling is not an academic field of study. Is that clear? Good. In our next class, we are going to look at the similarities between history and storytelling. Anybody with question? Anybody with question? So if there's no question, we call it a day. Thank you.